Have you ever wanted to wear your heritage with pride? Introducing the stunning Ethiopian Oromos cultural clothing. Each piece is a masterpiece, blending tradition with contemporary style. Picture this, intricate patterns that tell stories and colors that pop, perfect for festivals or everyday wear. These garments are not just clothes, they are a connection to a rich history. Made from high-quality materials, they provide comfort while making a bold statement. Plus, you will be turning heads wherever you go. So, if you want to stand out and embrace your roots, shop now for your Ethiopian Oromos cultural clothing and let your style speak volumes.
Cintura